Can I reheat overnight oats in the morning?
Welcome to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today, we'll be answering the question, can you reheat overnight oats in the morning? Let's dive right in.
What are overnight oats?
Overnight oats are a popular breakfast dish made by soaking rolled oats in liquid, such as milk or yogurt, and refrigerating them overnight. They're often mixed with fruits, nuts, and sweeteners for added flavor and texture.
Can you reheat overnight oats?
Yes, you can. While overnight oats are typically enjoyed cold, some people prefer them warm. If you're one of them, there's no problem in reheating your overnight oats in the morning.
How to reheat overnight oats?
1. Stovetop method. Transfer your oats to a saucepan and gently warm them over low heat. Stir occasionally to ensure even heating. Add a little extra liquid, such as milk or water, if the mixture is too thick. 2. Microwave method. Place your oats in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave them on high for 30 to 60 seconds. Stir the oats halfway through to ensure even heating. If you need to, you can add a little more liquid to achieve your desired consistency.
Are there any precautions to take when reheating overnight oats?
Be careful not to overheat your oats, as this can cause them to become mushy or overly thick. If you've added ingredients such as fruit or nuts, these may heat unevenly. Stir your oats frequently to prevent this. Be aware that some fruits, such as berries, may become very hot and can cause burns if not allowed to cool slightly before eating. So, there you have it. You can reheat overnight oats in the morning, and it's easy to do so using either the stovetop or microwave method. Just remember to take a few precautions to ensure even heating and prevent burns. Enjoy your warm and delicious breakfast.